Just like the video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the parts of a flower. So I have a pot of tulips here, and tulips are a very popular spring flower, and you'll see them in lots of gardens, maybe at your house. This is in a pot. So I've cut one off so you can't see my roots. The roots are inside underneath, and I can kind of see some of them on top. So the roots are important because that's how the flower gets the nutrients, it absorbs up, and that's how it feeds our flower. So we have the roots underground, and then this part is the stem. It's kind of strong and stiff, and it makes the flower stand up tall and straight. Coming off the stem, we have the leaves, and the leaves are full of green stuff called chlorophyll. And the sunlight turns it into food. So more food for the flower. I want you to take a closer look at your leaf because there are little lines on it. They're like veins. And remember in the video they said the veins in our body carry the blood through our body. Well, it's just like the flower. It carries food up into the flower. So here we go. We're going up, 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 up. And we have the beautiful flower. We have the petals here. And this is what attracts all of our pollinators to our flower. And the flowers make the sugary liquid called nectar that pollinators love to eat. So inside the flower, we have, take a closer look, you'll be able to see on yours, but they're around the middle and they are called the stamen. So if you take a closer look at the stamen, it's yellow. It has this yellow powdery stuff, and I touched one and it came off on my finger. So this gets stuck to the bees, and the bees spread it around, and that's called pollination. So in the very middle, this big thick part in the middle, that's called the pistil. And the pistil is what collects all the pollen because it's kind of sticky. So it uses the pollen to make different seeds, and then you have new plants. So wow, there's your closer look at your flower. So if you want, you can even draw your own flower and label it. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to make the ground because flowers don't float in the sky. And here are all my roots. I'm going to draw my nice, strong stem with my leaves coming off. Draw some lines. And then I'll draw a bright flower on top. Here's some of my petals. And then I have my pistil in the middle and my stamen. I'm going to get some yellow for my pollen. So I'm going to label this with pencil. Roots, stem, leaves, my pretty petals, stamen, and pistil. So there's my flower, and there's the parts that I've labeled. But this is great to do some investigating. So you can go out, take your magnifying glasses, and you can go into the gardens and you can investigate some of these flowers and see if you can, there go my petals, see if you can find those pistils and the stamen, and see if you can find the little lines in the leaves. Take a closer look. It's really quite neat. So there you go. Have fun dissecting your flower and exploring the different parts of it and how it works.